Look, we're just checking this out. No wonder trains are derailing. Look at the railroad spikes holding this train rail down. There's one on the outside, two on the inside. On that side, there's only three altogether. All the way down. I mean, my God, there's supposed to be 6 in it altogether, or 8. And there's only friggin' 3. 3 railroad spikes per timber. That's pitiful. No wonder they're having so much problems. That's pitiful. I mean, no wonder. Jeez. Hope somebody sees this video and comes and fix the damn railroad track. I mean, that's dangerous.